again! My name is Gladzy, and I'm an artist at Imagination Design Studios. I have a request for another drawing. Today, I'm going to be showing you how we draw a monkey in IDS style. So grab your materials and remember to pause if you need time to catch up. Ready? Let's get started. First, grab your paper and your pencil. And you start by drawing a circle in the middle of your paper. You can start fairly light and then gradually draw darker as you become more confident. After that, draw a horizontal and a vertical line across the circle. This will be our guideline. Next is for the cheeks. You draw a letter C starting from the middle point outward and then go all the way across. Do that again for the other side. This will be the cheeks of our monkey. There you go. Now he's starting to have a face shape. So you can darken these lines here. There you are. Next, you can draw the circle on the left and the right side of his face, just a little bit above the line that we drew earlier. And then you draw a smaller circle inside the eye. Same for the other side. And then another smaller circle for the pupil, and this time you can color it in with your pencil. There you go. You can draw the eyebrows just a little bit above with another arch, and then the other one on the other side. Next is drawing the nose. The nose is a little tricky, so you can start by drawing a really small circle lightly in between the eyes, and then draw a letter C just below to darken it, and then another small circle on the left, another on the right, and then you darken the side like so. So you have that fun shape now for the nose. You can darken this part here for the nostrils. Next, we're going to draw the mouth. You start by drawing a curve like so. Same on the other side. And then connect these two lines all the way across by making another curved half circle here. So darken this part now because you want the mouth to be emphasized. And make sure there's enough space in between the nose and the mouth. You can also draw another line here in the middle just to darken that up. And then you can draw another curved line at the bottom for the bottom lip. Yay! Now he's starting to come along. Next is we're adding fur. You can start by drawing a letter V right here in the middle, and then draw another arch just outward. After that, you draw another curve just outside of the circle that we drew earlier for his hair, and go all the way down and draw a W for his fur, and draw another curve to tuck it in behind his cheek. Do the same thing on the other side by drawing a curve and then another little W and then another curved line just behind his cheek. There you go. You can also add another tuft of hair above his head by drawing an upside down W and then a number 3. There you go. That gives you more character, right? Yay! Next up is drawing the monkey ears. This time, it'll be a little bigger. So start by drawing a letter C. You can start by aligning the first point where the top of his eyebrows are. So start here and draw a big letter C all the way down to the bottom of his cheek. And then draw another curve just inside the big C that we drew earlier. So you start from here and then you kind of gradually just end there. And do the exact same thing but with a smaller one, just like so. There you go, now you have one ear. Next is you do the exact same thing on the other side, but reflected. So it's like the opposite of the other. So you draw another letter C, that's reflected. And then you draw the inner lines that are smaller. Hooray! Now we have a monkey. You can also add just 2 straight lines down here for his neck, just to fill up that space underneath your paper. And there you go. You can sign your drawing with your name and then add the date today. Thank you for following with our lesson today. We'd love to see your drawings, so either post them in the comments section or use the hashtag IDS Kids Club. We might even share your drawing for everyone to see. Keep requesting more drawings for me to do. Just leave a comment on social media and let us know what type of animal you would like to see us to draw. And don't forget to check out IDS Kid Club page where you'll find this drawing and many more that you can print off at home as well. You'll also find more drawing lessons there, so just visit www.idskids.com/kidsclub. Stay creative and keep healthy, everyone. And don't forget to stay a minimum of 6 feet away from people other than your family to help prevent the spread of germs. All right, thanks for tuning in. Bye.